CIVIVI Praxis, brand new. Already got it dirty, I guess. Looking at it. What do I think? Right there, it's beautiful. When you pick it up and you open it up, it's gorgeous. Sharp, razor sharp right out of the box. Like the touch of gold right here. Just absolutely everything they said it was. The clip, I don't know, it's all backwards, I think. I mean, when it sits in your pocket, the blade's down, so I use it in my top pocket, so when you pull it up, you gotta switch hands. That's the only thing bad I see about it. I mean, it, I don't have strong fingers, and they're kind of deformed, but I can close it one-handed, and it opens buttery smooth. I mean, what else can you say? I love the gold liners. I love everything about this knife, really. It's tan. I don't know if you can see it, but incredible machine. Just beautiful. You know, just cut vegetables, stuff like that. Just, you know, anything. That was my finger. Little tight. Guess because it's new. I'll oil it as soon as I get some oil. It's my third knife. I have two Smith & Wessons that are pretty good. New at knives. Never thought I'd fall in love with one, but here it is. The CIVIVI Praxis.
So this is my review on the CIVIVI knife. Seems like a pretty good knife. I've had it for about 2 months. No issues. Locks pretty tight. Easy to open. I've seen several reviews saying that it doesn't open smoothly.
Solid. Man, for under 50 bucks, that is a really, really well-made knife. I mean, what other knife for 50 bucks comes with its own case? I don't even, like, this company definitely cares about its products. Very nice.